Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to discuss about question text. And the first time, let me introduce our team. Rahmatullah Manillah, Rahmat Istighfaroni Alif, Adinda Aulia Rahmawati, Michael Alexander, and I, Brescia Yundina, and the rest, Nova Auliatul. And the second, I will start about my presentation, and I will explain the first page of the definition of question text. Question text definition is a short question at the end of the statement to ask for information or for approval. As idiom, question text is an often used part of everyday conversation by a native speaker. Simply put, this short question transforms a statement into a question. Next.
Formula. Linking verb be auxiliary verb plus not plus pronoun. Information. Linking verb be is, am, are, was, were. Auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliary verb be, do, have, and modal auxiliary verb will, would, may, might, can, could, shall, should. Pronoun adapt to the subject in question section. Next.
Okay, the next is a purpose. The purpose of the use question text is to question information or seek approval of the person. When you use it to ask for information, the speaker position doesn't know if the information is true or false. On this condition, questions are emphasized by the heightened intonation or also referred to as rising intonation. Rather, when questions are used to request approval, the speaker believes that information that is known to be true, but expects answer that validate his wishes. In this case, the question text was committed without emphasis, with dropped intonation, or being called falling intonation. The next.
The next is the example of question text. The first is positive sentences. If a positive sentences, then the question text is negative. Example, you work in the bank. That do not you? Taeyong is handsome, isn't he? The second is negative sentences. If the negative sentences, then the question text is positive. Example, you work in a bank. Do not you? He is not serious, is he? Next.
Okay. Command or prohibition sentence. Example, sit down will you, don't talk too much will you. Jadi command or prohibition ini kalimat perintah atau larangan. Nanti itu question text-nya itu will you. If a subject I am, then the question text is am I. But if a subject I am not, then the question text am I. Jadi kalau subjeknya itu I am, maka question text-nya am I. Tapi kalau subjeknya itu am not, maka question text-nya itu am I. Example, I'm beautiful, am I? I'm not ugly, am I? If a sentence starts with let, then the question text is shall we. Jadi kalau kata pertamanya yaitu let, maka question text-nya itu shall we. Example, let's forget it, shall we? Let's go to the concert, shall we? Next, if a subject everything, something, and nothing, then the question text is it. Jadi kalau subjeknya ada everything, something, and nothing, maka question text-nya itu it. Example, everything should be ready, shouldn't it? Something is moving, isn't it? Next.
Next is, if a subject everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, no one, and nobody, then use them in the question text. For example, somebody played the guitar last night, didn't they? Then everybody watched the movie, didn't they? Next, question text. If the sentence contains a negative word, like nobody, no one, seldom, nothing, hardly, barely, and rarely, then use question tag positive. For example, no one cares of me, do they? Junho seldom does his homework, does he? And if the sentence is use a verb, then use the do or does for verb 1 and did for verb 2 in making his question tag. For example, you stay in Tangerang, don't you? Dina writes short story, doesn't she? And if the sentence use modals, then use the modals for the question tag. Specifically, for the modals have to use the helpful words for the question tag. For example, Palesia cannot play piano, can she? Jeno will be here, won't she?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from our team. See you later.